Okay, we want to see what happens when we set page type, template default blocks and layouts, so to see what works and what doesn't. So in this example, I'm going to be using my empty page type. Here at the top, I'm going to edit the output, and I'm going to be doing it for the full template. So I'm going to be adding three different things. I'm going to be adding first a content block. Then I'm going to be adding a layout, an empty layout, and then we'll be adding a layout with a content in it, and we'll see what works, what doesn't. So first, a normal content block in my main area. Here we go, and I save. Then still in my area, I'm gonna add a layout, say 2 columns. Here we go. Then I'm adding another layout. Again, I'm going to make it 2 columns. And this time, in one of the columns, I'm going to add another block. Oops, sorry. And I'm saving. So one thing here is I already have pages using this page template. So I need to click on my block and to say set it up on child pages so it propagates to existing pages. So I'll add it to every page. Okay. Now I do not have that option on layouts. There is nothing here to apply it to childs, but since my second layout has a block in it as well, I have to do it for that too. So set up child pages. Okay, and I'm going to be saving. Okay, so now we want to do 2 things. First, we want to see what happens to existing pages that we're using this content block, and then, sorry, this page type, and then we'll see what happens when we create new ones. So my services page uses that page type. So if I scroll down, I see my content block here, but I do not see my layout content block that I added. I'm putting the page in edit mode, and what I can see is I do not have my layouts. Layouts were not added. Now I'm gonna go back to my sitemap, just because that's where I prefer to add pages. and we're going to see what happens when we add a page using that full page type. So it was an empty page template. I'm going to call it test page, full template. Here it is, and I'm going to publish my page. And then I'm going to visit that page. And here I have both my blocks. Here's my content block, here's my layout content block, and if I edit this page, I should be able to see that my layouts are actually available. Here's my layout, and here's my other one. So obviously, propagating newly added blocks to existing pages works. Layouts don't get added, but for new pages, layouts are here, they get added, and it's working fine, no problem. And for reference, this is, as the address indicates, Concrete5 8.5.0.